the destination where horsepower meets innovation. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest rides hitting the streets. From legendary muscle to futuristic hypercars, we cover it all. Now buckle up, because today we've got something that will blow your mind. The legend is back. Yes, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird has been officially unveiled, and it's everything fans have been dreaming about, and more. After years of rumors, teases, and speculation, Pontiac, revived under GM's Specialty Performance Division, has reignited the flame that once made the Firebird a muscle car icon. The 2026 Firebird isn't just a redesign, it's a rebirth. A modern take on the raw American muscle of the 60S and 70S. Re-engineered with 21st-century tech and performance that can go toe-to-toe with global supercars. First things first, the design. The new Firebird is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably retro-futuristic. GM's design team took cues from the legendary second-gen Firebird Trans Am, but reimagined it with a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. The front fascia is dominated by split LED headlamps, with a subtle homage to the iconic screaming chicken etched into the hood. And yes, it still has that long, wide-stamped presence that makes it look like it's ready to launch even when parked. Moving around the sides, you'll notice deeply sculpted panels and functional air ducts that cool the massive brakes and turbocharged powertrain. The rear stays true to Firebird DNA. Horizontal LED tail lights, a sharply defined rear spoiler, and quad exhaust tips that let everyone behind you know this isn't just for show. Topping it off is a limited edition carbon fiber hood option with a see-through performance window so you can literally see the beast inside. Speaking of beasts, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Firebird is offered in 3 powertrain configurations. The base model starts with a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6, pumping out a healthy 400 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, but for those who crave that V8 rumble, Pontiac delivers with the Firebird GT, featuring a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8, producing 550 horsepower, and for the true performance addicts, the Firebird Trans Am Edition returns with a supercharged 6.6-liter V8 monster, delivering an insane 725 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60, just 3.1 seconds. All models come with a new 10-speed automatic transmission, while the GT and Trans Am variants offer a 6-speed manual option for the purists who still believe in rowing their own gears. GM's Magna Ride adaptive suspension system comes standard on all trims, offering pinpoint handling without sacrificing daily drivability. But it's not just straight-liner speed. The 2026 Firebird features a reworked chassis with aluminum and carbon fiber reinforcements, shaving over 300 pounds from its predecessor concepts. This means sharper cornering, better weight distribution, and improved fuel efficiency across the board. The Trans Am trim also includes track-ready Brembo brakes, an electronic limited slip differential, and a performance-tuned exhaust system that can roar or purr depending on your mood. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that strikes the perfect balance between heritage and high-tech. Leather-trimmed sports seats with Firebird embroidery, real aluminum accents, and a retro-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel make it feel like a classic reborn. But it's the tech that really elevates the experience. A 14-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, while a floating 13-inch infotainment touchscreen runs GM's latest Ultralink OS, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Alexa voice integration. Driver assistance tech? Absolutely. Every Firebird comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and an available semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. The HUD is bright and informative, and the optional 12-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system turns the cabin into a concert hall for your road trip playlist. For collectors and hardcore enthusiasts, Pontiac is offering a limited-run Firebird Trans Am 455 Super Duty Edition. Only 455 units will be built, each numbered and signed, pushing over 800 horsepower and featuring a full carbon fiber body, racing-grade suspension, and a serialized dash plaque. It's essentially a street-legal track weapon disguised as a muscle car. Now let's talk pricing. The base Firebird is expected to start around $52,000, which is competitive considering its performance and tech. The GT model comes in at approximately $68,000, while the supercharged Trans Am starts at $88,000. The ultra-exclusive 455 Super Duty Edition, that's going to cost you north of $120,000, if you're lucky enough to reserve one. As for availability, GM has confirmed that the new Pontiac Firebird will hit showrooms in early spring 2026. Pre-orders are expected to open by the end of this year, and early demand is already off the charts, with dealers reporting wait lists building rapidly. This could become one of the most collectible American performance cars of the decade. One more surprise, Pontiac isn't just thinking about gasoline. Rumors are already circulating about an all-electric Firebird concept slated for 2027, built on GM's Ultium platform. While details are scarce, insiders say it could feature dual motors and over 1,000 horsepower, aiming to challenge the likes of the Tesla Roadster and Dodge Charger Daytona EV. If that happens, Pontiac could become the first American brand to revive both its muscle legacy and leap into the EV future with style. To wrap things up, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird isn't just a new car, it's a statement, a declaration that American muscle is alive, evolving, and ready to dominate again. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new driver looking to own a piece of history, the new Firebird delivers heritage, horsepower, and heart-pounding performance in a package that's as modern as it is legendary. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a like, drop a comment with your favorite Firebird generation, and let us know if the 2026 model lives up to the hype. We've got more reviews, comparisons, and unveilings coming your way, so make sure to stay tuned. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your dreams in gear.